Why do I address this? 3D schematic. Because you see the part lines are simply those schematic lines. Like you do your sketches or just not electronic stuff. Yeah, that's a schematic drawing. So even let's say next time you guys do electrical in AutoCAD, I think there's one called AutoCAD Electrical, right?
Yeah.
AutoCAD.
So yours should install AutoCAD
AutoCAD have
Electrical.
electrical.
Yeah.
That one just for drawing, right? The AutoCAD only for drawing.
Yeah lah, for your circuit board design lah.
For design and
Only
electric
design the
system.
line, right?
You have your diode, you have your whatever thing lah that you require lor.
Electric and electric.
Yeah lah, electrical lah. So next day you got to do, let's say design a circuit board or whatever. Before circuit board you must what? Schematic first, right?
You can draw a motherboard.
What the?
Walao, you study electrical, you don't know ah?
No,
What
I only
the?
start the. Actually.
Hey, you're year 3 here no, young man.
We year 1 we learn the AutoCAD about.
Correct. The year 1 they teach you just purely AutoCAD. They supposed by to teach you AutoCAD electrical.
No,
Yeah.
they
don't.
don't have the power.
Not
very
because of the
advanced.
power or not.
It's very even.
It's just that my son when he study in NYP, he also learned AutoCAD electrical.
Me too.
What?
Yeah,
What's the major?
because when you draw your symbols, you don't need to recreate a symbol. It's there.
I regret that. I didn't go to that.
You see what they do to you now?
Ah,
You can put it in
you know AutoCAD
electric
schematic, yes.
and simulate a fault.
Yeah.
Make a fault there, and he will tell you what's the resistance.
Sorry, I mean I don't mean here to condemn everything, but what? Hey, money, you're super late.
He go for his breakfast.
Breakfast should come at 9
I
man.
have another one. For the.
Hey, so please next week you come late.
Eat that.
That's your problem, no?
No, the best
Ah,
one is eat that.
alright, for your test, please come early and be seated and check whether the PC, the so-called licensing for AutoCAD is running or not. No, teacher, no license. I can't do nothing, man.
So if no license, can I pass? Because it's not my fault anyway.
Plenty of PC here, why worry?
I will kill the license. Can
And
I
then I'll fail you lah.
Why?
Because you kill the PC. What?
It's not me.
You say so just now. I heard that. Oops.
How I can pass? How I can pass?
Okay. So how are we going to do all these things? You're going to follow the step. They are all here. All right. But let's say how we get it from our so-called drawings and how we add that. Okay. See, here's very simple. Only 2 pages only. So direct. Okay. How I'm going to put my text here?
Can you give me
How to
fire?
do this?
This one. The plum
Check by category.
fire system.
This one you don't have. Go move,
No, I have
move there and
the
download
video.
lah.
No, the work for this. I never do it.
Fire. The fire.
Fire and the plum.
Terrible.
What? What?
So you're the one that feed all the information, right?
No, every time I take from someone else.
Yeah.
No, I
So
don't
must
keep
kill
asking
some
the
of
same
them.
one. Yeah.
You ever help you next time, I'll kill you.
That's it. Next time
Serious.
is the test.
Next time, let me say, huh? Okay, sorry. So let's say, let me launch the Revit. Anyway, your MVP here, I'm here to teach you is the software only, not your knowledge. Anyway. Of course, that is a plus. In certain way lah, but not every single thing. If you learn knowledge and software at the same time, you think 15 weeks enough?
No.
No, not enough, man.
Spend 7 months every day we go. 6 months.
诶，森林在哪里？
Super late.
你跑去找着啊？
Super late.
Approaching.
Oh, scary approaching, like goes like approaching. Ah, it's coming, ah!
Target approach.
Well, if you test come in like that, I'm happy, yeah.
Die lah.
You know why? I got less thing to mark what. You see, to write a 0 is easier, no?
No, 100.
Yeah, very easy lah.
100 is easy.
1 0, damn difficult. I write 3 times. 0 is faster, 1 digit only.
But P, it's easier.
Copy and paste.
P.
Copy and paste even faster, right? All the 0 copy and paste. Oh.
No, all that one.
Yeah, start with Heine and later copy paste everyone.
Oh yeah.
Hainan.
Yeah. Start with Heine. Whatever Heine get, give the whole class.
Okay, sure. Ah? Pressure on you, ah?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I thought the first one is P.
He's work harder. He's not smart.
Oh,
Who's my baby?
terrible. How can you say your fellow?
He's not teacher.
I said he's hard worker. What? What? I don't know. Even if you ask something different than our course, he will struggle. Also.
Because you always MIA, right? You.
I am the only stupid guy here in classroom.
Always MIA. Okay, open back this plumbing. So I'll go to for my plumbing files. 161 EEA1. Okay, plumbing. And open.
Did you finish the plumbing? Give me my plumbing. Plumbing.
Who?
Ooh.
Sorry?
In line.
Thing like
3D view. Ooh. WT. The one this. Only one this. See when I zoom extend, that's what you get. Brunch already at
That
morning.
Good up.
Junjie.
Yes.
You know why I know Junjie? Because my son is also called Junjie.
wow.
Did he finish his army already?
Yep. July 20th. Last month.
So he's not part of the National Day yesterday.
Nah. Now I think it's still continuing study.
It's okay. It's okay. Let's start now.
Okay, so how am I going to make
photo.
this guy bigger or larger? Simple, right? Now, just bear in mind, when everything is done in the sense that you do your model done up already, I mean in real world everything done up, you don't need the link file anymore. Whether it's a permanent or temporary,
附件嘛，
right?
就是步骤。
VG,
步骤。
one thing,
哦
or
哦，知道知道。
go to insert, manage link. If I go to insert manage link, I'm going to highlight here and I say remove. That's a permanent. Alright, that means if finalized already, you want to use it for checking or so-called maybe SPIL and so on. You don't need the reference link file anymore. You should come here and remove it. Okay, but let's say now just for temporarily, you just can type VG. Then you go to link rabbit. You just simply do uncheck here. Don't show. Alright, apply and okay. Zoom extend. See now?
So that one
It's
will
bigger.
only show the drawing, right?
Yeah, whatever we draw.
Okay, only show the drawing.
Because reference file no longer needed. Even now, if I take away this box, you think my model will show? I mean the whole model?
Section.
Still showing the drawing.
Yeah, but not the click with whatever surrounding we no longer have because this is what we have. So zoom extend, this is what you want. Simple. So in your notes, here we have two systems here. Sanitary and domestic water. Alright. So this domestic water, based on the note, it consists of the hot and cold. That's why they call it domestic water. So I'm going to present it to the installer guys or to someone that don't understand or a contractor or outsource that people go and do, They need to know roughly how the pipe runs. So material-wise usage you can control. You don't provide then this guy anyhow install how? More joints, more fitting means more seepage, more leakage. Agree or not? So installation angles, all these are important. Okay, now how to create this? So meantime, from here, I simply right click and I'm going to duplicate the view. So you know the difference between these two are? No? No is what? NO or KNOW?
No. That one's no.
Why no? You all learn Revit Aki now?
No. We're not artistic.
That's why by right in here, structure, MEP or everyone, they should learn Revit architecture. You know why I say you need to learn Revit architecture? Is to understand how the software works. So when you send you to learn this, chicken feed. Yeah, 真的 serious. But anyway, doesn't matter. Now duplicate basically means you copy only the model component.
You mean only the drawing, right? But
Model component.
yeah, that thing.
Model lah, I do call drawing.
Uh-huh.
This one here, duplicate with detailing. Detailing refer to your documentation, meaning what? Your elevation symbol lah, your text lah, your dimensions lah, your arrow lah, whatever, or your detailing. These are called annotations. So for this case, yes or no, I will say I would still like to use this. Currently, you can't duplicate as a dependent. This is when you break down two drawings into two separate drawings, but they are still internally connected as one. That's why it's called as a dependent. It's a breakdown of a big, huge plan into a smaller, maybe focus area. Okay? But that's normally for big project lah. But normally here we don't have lah. So by default, I only have two. But again, I would still like to use this in case I miss out something in the background.
哦，
Okay?
那第二个是
So-
有管到的，第一个是没管到的，是这样。
I will select this and
这是模型。
rename it. So I call this as my plumbing isometric. Currently, it's still isometric view. It's not perspective. It's perspective. You see some angle by bird eye view, sharp point angle here and there. ISO means it's still a 3D. Correct measurement or even placing. Okay, so I call this as my sanitary. Alright, or schematic sanitary. Yeah, if you prefer that. Or sanitary, schematic, whatever lah. Correct spelling lah. ATIC. Schematic. I always forget. Seriously. Saying and typing, always spelling forget. Old man already like it was. Right, studying English we don't use to forget. Okay, so I'll pick this. So I have one here. Duplicate again, right click. Rename. Here I'll call it as my domestic. Water. Sounds right. Sounds wrong. Spelling. What spelling now?
Correct.
Sure. 不要骗我啊！我读起来像错了，这 spelling。Sorry, I don't believe you. I just say sometimes when I type, I hate it. Yeah lah, schematic. Lucky. Wow, scheming dangerous right? Scheming guy This guy right?
I'm not.
Sure not. He say hi not. Based on your mark right? So he's putting a pressure on you. Anyway, we done that right? What's next? Finally, yeah. Your test come at this time. No, right? So I'm going to combine these two. Right. So since it's only now currently I highlight domestic water, that means what I want to see my piping here is only the domestic water. Sanitary, I want to hide. How to hide them? You don't go pick one by one and start to hide.
Or select.
Because here they are connected as a network, a system. You just need to pause and you press a tab key. So 1 tab, 2 tab, sometimes 3, depends. Now currently it's only 2, lucky. Okay? Select it.
How to select?
Just point lah, select it. Pick lah. How to select it? Young man. How to select it? Lick it lah.
Ice cream.
Hello? How to click it? Now they ask me how to click it. How to select it? 变小。郑南，你在这边吗？现在？
在。
气死我了 ！How to select it? Sorry, I'm really no mood. I'm on holiday mood now. Seriously.
Why you have one toilet without water pipe?
Sorry.
Why did you delete the toilet?
Not delete. I'm gonna hide.
No, the what?
This one is no.
Yeah.
This is transparent. This is not. So you right click.
Hide.
Not this high. If I do this high, a lot of things will be affected. Alright? And supposed to be this high. Sorry, this high, sorry. You're right. This is more on a standalone thing. Right? Because you don't use VG. Because you go VG, it says pipe, you hide. All those piping will be all gone. So you want only certain part of piping to be hidden. Yeah, so you're right. I've been carried away. So hide and view, element. What you select here is the same as by selecting this bulb here. This bulb.
Okay.
Yeah, this fella. Okay, it's the same.
The sunglasses.
Yeah, it's the same. So just like right click is faster, easier lah, convenient. So by element, it's gone. To get it back,
Just start the bottom.
turn on the bulb. That's the only way. It's here. You just go to select them. Don't select the link file or pin file, please. You can highlight and unhide element. You'll be
Okay.
Because here I haven't locked the view. See, I can still play with my view. By right, you don't want people say, hey, turn here, turn there, right? Because you turn here, turn there, later your text will be go haywire. You see just now on your schedule here? Oh, sorry, not this one. Where is it? Is it here?
Video.
Yeah. You see the text that label here? If you're able to go and orbit it, your text will be flying all over the place. So how to go and lock it? If I set it here, something will be missing from my view, right? See this? I can't see my strainer here. So sometimes I got to turn a bit or adjust it.
Adjustments.
Yeah. But currently, of course, I'm doing is domestic. So make sure that my water is clear. This can be seen clearly. Although this has been blocked by this, it's okay because we're going to hide the sanitary. Then you can actually fact zoom bigger. Yeah. Then
75 degree. That's nice.
alright. Here, unlock 3D view. You see beside the sunglass, there's a lock view. Select this. Save orientation and lock view. Now you can zoom, but you can't orbit. See, cannot anymore. You can zoom in, zoom out, but you can't. You can pan. You can't orbit. You know when you press 3, you see when I set anything here, I can't pick anymore. Look at it.
Oh. Wait.
I lock it. So point 1, 2, sometimes 3, but lucky here is 2. Select it means you pick from the left click button mouse, right click, find view, element. Now it's gone.
All mixed.
Okay?
All hidden.
This one that day I showed, but I didn't finish it. Look at it.
So
Not
that-
connected.
Does that like type one pipe and then double click the tab and then select left click again? Is it? Click one
Again?
Part. Click one part and then
I never click one part. I point at the pipe.
okay,
Hover
you,
it.
you point on the part
Hover
and-
on the pipe.
yeah
I tap either 2 or 3 depends
And
on
then-
the view.
and then
And then when all the piping selected, you right click lah.
okay.
Oh lah, must that detail step by step lah. Oh my god.
Yeah lah.
You tell me now.
Learn
Oh, you guys
Detailing step.
younger than me, but learn like old man. Cannot man.
Wow.
details.
You're scared of software.
No, not scared.
I'm not good in software.
I'm scared.
I hate software.
Honestly.
Well, so
So stressful.
Can see.
Continue.
He's on the foot already.
Continue. Don't stop.
I think you turn on the aircon. It's not a burst into frame.
It's
very warm, right?
Yeah. Start from
Hot. Okay, so what should we do next? Now it's my cold water pipe. Same thing. Point. 1 tap, 2 tap. Got 3 now. No, 2. Okay. Select this.
Like this and that's good.
Then again, right click. But this time round, we're not gonna hide. We're gonna override the graphics to change it to dotted line. So, by element here. So when you say graphics override, means you're doing the individual, but as a network, depends on your selection, how you toggle your selection. So, by element, this is where you can change. In your notes, I think they want you to select the line weight as 3.